Good morning, crafty travelers. It's Lonnie. I am in Plainwell, Michigan, visiting my friend Lorraine, but she has nowhere to park my RV near her home. So I'm at a Boondockers Welcome in Plainville. You gotta see this place. It's pretty interesting. I think it's the weirdest place I've ever stayed. Hello, you have found my channel, The Crafty Traveler. My name is Lonnie, and I am a 71-year-old female who loves to camp and travel. I'm saying goodbye to my husband for the next 4 months as I travel across country with my little schnauzer Snickers. We're traveling in my Mini Winnie and towing my Honda. Come and subscribe to my channel and follow our adventures. Thanks for watching. Good morning, crafty travelers, and I'm in Michigan. Today's adventure, we're going west to Plainwell, Michigan, and staying at a Boondockers Welcome for 2 nights. And my friend Lorraine lives in that town, so I'll get to be visiting her, maybe tonight and for sure tomorrow. So we will be on our way soon. I'm entering the little town of Plainwell, Michigan. Where is this Boondockers Welcome? What's that fifth wheel doing over there on the left?
You have arrived.
I guess I arrived. I had to make a U-turn into the parking lot across the street. And this is the building where I will be parking behind. I'm waiting for the guy to get his fifth wheel back there, and then I can pull in. He's back in the back. I hope this is the place as I drive around to find out what's going on. It is pretty and green back here, and the grass has been cut short. The ground is hard, so I don't feel like I'm sinking down into it. This is the view from my front of my RV. Today is June the 9th, and I have made it to Plainwell, Michigan, to the Boondockers Welcome site where I'm going to be staying for a couple of nights and go visit my friend Lorraine, who lives in town. Let me show you around, see what this looks like. After parking, I met with the couple in the fifth wheel, and the young man was actually born and raised here. And this used to be the old skating rink, and his mother and aunt used to come and skate. He also said it was a very safe place. This is a Boondockers Welcome property. I'm behind this old building, which used to be the skating rink. I'm basically in a backyard of a big old building. I guess that used to be the skating rink. There's another couple here, so I'm not by myself. And this is where I am parked. I've already unhooked my car. I parked so my door is towards the woods, so Snickers has a little place to be. He's right there, laying in the shade. He likes it here already. He's got all his flea medicine on and everything, so I'm not worried about that. So we're here for 2 nights, and we'll see what happens. Like I said, it's just an old abandoned building. It's a huge building, and whoever the owners are allow people to park in the backyard. Won't be able to hear traffic from here. It'll be nice. There's nice shady woods right next to me as I walk out the door. Just enough for Snickers to get into a little bit. There he is. It's a Snickers. He's having a good time. Very pretty. There is a gate here with kind of a hook lock. It's kind of hard to undo. But look at this. You could drive into the driveway next door and come and pull right around to get in here. But nobody can see where I am. And I do have a neighbor today, but they're leaving this morning. This is the side of the building, and I drove around this area. This is grassy area, but it's very hard ground. It's not soft at all. Of course, they haven't had much rain here lately. And there's these pretty woods behind. It is the weirdest place I've stayed yet. I've stayed in parking lots and vineyards and museums and a lot of other places. And you can see my RV here. And then there's my neighbors with their truck and fifth wheel. So this is the back of the building. But this is a pretty good size backyard. I parked inward, but once the fifth wheel is gone, I'll be able to turn around easily. Well, my boondocking neighbors have left. And now you can get a better perspective of how big this back area is. There's my little RV there, and the woods. I'll be here one more night. So for today's adventure, I'm going back to Lorraine's, and we found out it's free fishing weekend in Michigan. So I'm going to take my fishing tackle and get some worms and go sit on her deck today and hang out with Lorraine and maybe catch a few little bluegill or something just for fun. Alrighty, stay tuned for more. In case I forget, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Comment, share, and subscribe. Stay crafty, smart, creative, and safe in Michigan.